That's why the Eagles suck. You guys can't catch. That shit was funny. Fuck you guys. That's funny. Yeah. Never mind. Oh, we got stuff. Hold on. Oh shit. So, okay, hold on, I gotta do something.